This is how you download the Kami extension from the Chrome Web Store. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Chrome Web Store in Google Chrome. This is the browser that you want to open. Once you search for this, you're going to click on the top option here, the Chrome Web Store. Now that we're here, in the top left-hand corner, we're going to type in Kami and press Enter or Return. This is the option that you want to click on, Kami extension -PDF and document annotation. Here you'll see the option to add it to Chrome. Click on it, and then you get a pop-up asking you to add the extension. Here it says, this program has been added to Chrome. And now we have it. A way that you can check to make sure that you have this Chrome extension is to go up here and click on the puzzle piece on the top right-hand side of your screen. Click on it, and you can see all of your extensions, not just the Kami extension. So I have the Kami extension. It's right here. And that is how you add the Kami extension to your Chrome browser.